ki khat arngot ki MLA ki bala mi no na ka seng Congress bar ki bala lej penyeso ilade ba ka seng Trinamus Congress lane ka TMC ka bade ka seng jong ka Mamata Banerjee na West Bengal menta ka singi kilawan hakmat kilat pathai khubor ban pensyai halor ka daw ka bala pelong ki ban mi no na ka seng Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma bakran pensyai hakmat kilat pathai khubor uloong bakum ki bri ki bajutre na kabanta ka bha kamiat ki pajba don kam banyo e kalat kelanti ka balai luj ban tre na kabanta pajba ban wanra ya kalawei ka bafrnai ha ka jilla bar kadaw ka bala penlong ban mi na ka seng Congress ban penyeso apat ba ka seng Trinamus Congress TMC kadai ba kane ka seng kadon ya kalawei ka bafrnai ban wanra ha ka jilla bar ula kerpat ru ya ki nongsong snong ka jilla Meghalaya ban ai ka jingkershan bar ban ya tre lang bar shushu lo ongru ka wei pat kadaw ka long baka Congress kamler bat kamla ban yakhun bat ka BJP nakaliang ba Charles Pangropat habakran pensyai ulo ong baka daw bakilami na ka seng Congress ban late pat sa ka wei ka seng sign perthei kalong bakum kinong yelam kidon ni kathong ban treshitom bat ban wanra i ka jingdon kam ki pajba ka jela kumba hakapor badang don hakaliang persya hakipor balalej onyai long kumtahi bantre na kabantao pajba Henry don kam ya kajing lai luj banyo wanra ya karoy kapar ha kajela kamtam ban kentiu ya karihi borok kawei bad onang yai treshitom berangkat ha kajing kersan ki pajba kajela.
You know what made us actually decide to identify All India Trinamool Congress? It's a culmination of long-drawn exercise. Now exercise towards achieving what? We have a role to play. We have committed to the people of the state and people of the nation. What did we commit? To fight against any force that threaten our very existence, that threaten our cohesive, inclusive character of our democracy, where you see the divisive forces becoming stronger and stronger. Is anybody fighting hard, or are they using kids' growth? We can't fight with kids' growth. We have to be determined. We have to take our political opponent hats on, because that's what people expect. We can't just have lip service. Therefore, if you look at the culmination of this whole exercise, ultimately directed towards a political party which share the same objective of fighting against the divisive forces. And tell me any other political party, if there is any, in the state. Do we have NPP? They are part of the team. It's amazing that they sometimes speak against each other. But aren't they saying, what is NPP-led government? It's a government installed by BJP. And people of the state must understand one thing. BJP leadership knows it fully well that people of the state of Meghalaya, the electorates, are not going to be inclined to vote and support BJP for the reasons best known to all of us. And therefore, they're smart. They have created regional parties who are their B team, and they are effectively, very efficiently operating through this modus operandi. So we don't feel that the people of Meghalaya will not know it. We will keep on telling, we will keep on reminding the people of the state and also the people of the region. You have to look at what we have referred to as the shared agenda, shared objective. The whole objective, the whole ideology that this political party is affiliated with is completely different from NPP and other political parties. It's simple. They are fighting against those who nurture an ideology which is not, I must say, compatible to our nation with diverse background of people, and it's not compatible to the kind of socio-political spectrum that this nation has. And therefore, I think we have a very clear understanding as to why we have aligned ourselves and marched with All India Trinamool Congress. See, we do not want to share the same rhetoric what BJP has initiated. Our job is to reach out to the people. We have every reason to believe that we'll be able to get the trust and confidence of the people. Because people of the state of Meghalaya, and we are going beyond the boundaries of the state of Meghalaya. Our responsibility is to look at what happens in Delhi does affect our life. Okay. What is decided upon by Government of India also affects us. Doesn't it affect? Therefore, I say that everybody has to be directly or indirectly connected with political parties. If somebody is saying that, oh, I'm not bothered, well, he's not bothered, but you are in the same ship. If we are in the same boat, if the boat sinks, you sink. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. People, when they connect with leaders, they connect their aspirations. They connect, all that they have to be able to realize through those leaders with whom they connect themselves. Therefore, it is not just a simple, small reason that probably has made us think. It's, as I say, it's not just an exercise of a month or two. It's a long-term exercise.
Doctor, why
you will see. You will also appreciate one fact. 2018. Why we couldn't form government? Why we couldn't form government? These are issues. In spite of being the single largest party, did we try as a political party? In spite of being the largest opposition party in the nation. These are factors. I am just giving you a hint so that you will be more analytical in your interpretation. As I have said, it is a culmination of our long-drawn exercise to get things corrected. To get things corrected in order to enable all of us to be able to optimally utilize our potentialities and do justice to the position and space that we occupy in public life. As opposition, in Meghalaya, you must appreciate one fact, that as opposition, we have definitely responded to our call of duty. We have not failed in our responsibility. But as a national party, you are also required to see, as a party, as a team, where are you? Are you really being able to respond to your call of duty after having the mandate as an opposition across the nation? And how do we respond to that?
we have decided to merge with another political entity which has come up in the last elections with a resounding victory over the BJP in West Bengal. Now, as leaders, we are expected to do something for our people, to live up to their hopes and aspirations, to live up to their expectations, and to deliver to them the relevant requirements which are expected by each one and every. We have tried that as a very, very strong opposition, as you have seen in the last 3.5 years, and we will continue to do so. But like what has been said by Dr. Mukul Sangma, we need a space to be created wherein our potential to work as... I must share with you also the recent developments that took place, where I had the opportunity to meet with Mr. Prashant Kishore, who is the leader of the IPAC team, the Indian Political Action Committee, wherein his views and ideas and his vision to take the country forward, to fight against the divisive forces and communal forces, matched almost totally with what we also had in mind. Therefore, we decided that since we are on the same path, it would be in the best interest of the people to join hands. To join hands for a better cause. To remove the ambiguities that are happening in our country today, in our state. Where each and every one of us will get space to live within the parameters of the Constitution and our fundamental rights. I personally feel that my discussion with him was so fruitful that we can now create a platform to expand it not only in Meghalaya but in other parts of the northeast and the country as a whole, to take on the NDA government in the next elections. The space where a void has been created by the ineffectiveness of the Indian National Congress. Now, when we go to another party and merge with them, what do we expect? We expect a team, a leadership that will guide each one of us, and we will be guided by our own capabilities also to achieve that goal. Therefore, we have now merged with the All India Tribunal Congress, and we hope that this merger, we know that this merger will bring a brighter prospect for the entire region, for our state, and for the entire country as a whole. By Raymond, which was amply replied by Dr. Mukul Sangma. Let me buttress that a bit. When we took this decision to merge, it was a long drawn discussion over many, many days and weeks, even months. Obviously, when you're taking this decision, which is a major one, you will have to look at a lot of aspects and the reasons and the facts that lie before you. We found that in the All India Tribunal Congress, as an ally, they have proved their worth. And also, a team that is working with them will be working with us also. So we have a backup of strategic thinking and analytic processing, which will enable us to become the leaders we need to be and to deliver the goods to the people. That is why, as Dr. Mukul rightly said, the decision taken was for that reason. But to say to go to any other political party, you have to weigh the pros and cons. Will that benefit the people? Yes or no? It is this reason why we chose to merge with the All India Tribunal.
But is TMC acceptable to the people of the state?
Why not?
Because previously you had Purno Samma who had also associated with the TMC.
Well, he became a member of the parliament through TMC also. He did. So if he was elected on the TMC ticket to parliament, I mean, a man of such stature, let us not belittle any political party for that reason. It is what you do in the ground that will determine the future of the party. It is how you work, how you serve with your heart and soul. That will determine the future of that party. So that is our job now. With the help which we will be getting from all corners, all sides, to build this merger into a very vibrant and strong political party.